Hello everyone, I'm Chef Gagandeep Singh from Shangri-La Hotel Bengaluru, and I'm going to cook today a lovely fish fillet fried from Quality New Zealand. This fish I love because it's available throughout the year, very healthy, low in fat, and it's available in food hall, big basket, Nature's Basket. You can easily buy at any good store, and so we are going to cook this fish today. There are two parts for this dish, as one is the fish as a main ingredient, and one I'm making a khichdi, which my younger daughter, she loves khichdi, which is rice and lentil boiled together. We're going to cook it, and my wife and my elder daughter, they really like the fish. We are from Delhi, so we always have a craving for the fish, because we are away from the sea. So what happened, this fish I love because it's available throughout the year. Very consistent in quality. So we are going to, so we have two parts, one for cooking khichdi, and along with that I have some clarified butter and oil to cook a fish. So I'm not going to deep fry the fish, I'm just going to do a shallow fry, which will again have a less oil impact on the fish. So and I'm also giving a twist to the khichdi. So as we are giving a fish with the khichdi, I am using a lemon pickle, the homemade lemon pickle, simple any lemon pickle will add to the khichdi. So this is rice boiled together with the lentil and the cumin seeds. So as you see, our pan is hot, slight olive oil. You can use desi ghee. Desi ghee actually gives very good flavor for the khichdi. We add some oil, onion. The khichdi base to the onion, saute onions. Now you have to cook it on a slow fire. So this is a just simple lemon pickle, just mash it with the spoon, and going to add a good amount of 1 spoon in my khichdi. So it will give a good lemony flavor. As I am serving, I can really smell the pickle lemon in the khichdi. So we are going to know now, we are going to cook do a second major step, which is cooking of this lovely the fish fillet, which is coated. So as I told you, I am not going to deep fry it. Just take the oil, it should be a medium hot. So but we are going to simply place the fish inside. As the oil is not so much, what we are going to do, we are with the help of the spoon, we are going to fry it from the top until the fish gets a golden crust, nice. So my kids are having a nap now. So once they wake up, they will have this lovely fish, golden crust. As you can see, the nice golden crust is coming on the top. I will return and check it. Oh, lovely golden crust. This is what is quality New Zealand products are famous for. The right consistency, the quality of the product throughout the year. Bowl, because I have a khichdi which is a bit of liquid consistency. So I have a nice fish and a khichdi. Khichdi is lemon flavored khichdi. I love that. The smell of the fish and the lemon pickle will wake up my kids, and we'll have a party. But we are going to just take a little bit of deep bowl, so you can taste the khichdi. The smell of the lemon pickle is amazing. Yeah. So settle down the khichdi. Now the time to place a magic quality New Zealand fillet in the center. We are going to garnish with some of the spring onion leaves, and the final touch, a lemon and the fish and the lemon. So we are going to use the zest of the lemon just right on the fish. So the khichdi has a lemony pickle flavor, and the fish is topped with the fresh skin of the lemon. Here we go. The dish with the quality New Zealand fish and the lemon pickle khichdi for my kids and for my family. Thank you very much. Enjoy.